Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a vast forest, planning to embark on a journey to reach the other side. But instead of mapping out a route, packing supplies, and preparing for the unknown, you simply walk in, hoping you'll find your way. Sounds risky, right? Yet this is how many of us approach our financial futures, without a plan, relying on luck rather than strategy. Today, we dive deep into one of Benjamin Franklin's most famous quotes, "Failing to plan is planning to fail," and explore how this wisdom applies to financial preparedness. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your approach, this video will equip you with the tools to navigate your financial forest with confidence. What if I told you that the key to financial success isn't just about how much you earn, but how well you plan? Benjamin Franklin, one of America's founding fathers, was a man of many talents, an inventor, a diplomat, and a philosopher. But his insights into planning and financial management are just as relevant today as they were in the 18th century. Stick around to discover how his simple yet profound advice could be the game changer in your financial journey. The importance of planning. Let's start by understanding the essence of Franklin's quote. Planning is not just about creating a to-do list or setting vague goals. It's about setting a clear, actionable roadmap for your future. When it comes to finances, planning involves budgeting, saving, investing, and preparing for unforeseen circumstances. Without a plan, you're essentially leaving your financial future to chance, which can lead to stress, debt, and a lack of security. A well-thought-out financial plan provides direction, helps you prioritize your spending, and ensures you're prepared for life's ups and downs. Budgeting, the foundation of financial planning. Budgeting is the cornerstone of any financial plan. It's about taking control of your money and ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Understanding where your money is going each month is crucial. Are you spending more on non-essential items than you'd like? Are you saving enough? By creating a budget, you can allocate funds to your necessities, set aside money for savings, and still enjoy life's little luxuries without guilt. A budget also helps you avoid unnecessary debt by ensuring you live within your means. The power of saving. Saving money is more than just putting cash aside for a rainy day. It's about building a financial cushion that can support you in times of need and help you achieve your long-term goals. Franklin's era didn't have modern banking systems, but the principle remains the same. Save consistently, even if it's just a small amount each month. Over time, these savings will grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Moreover, having an emergency fund is crucial. Life is unpredictable, and having savings to fall back on can prevent a minor setback from becoming a financial crisis. Investing, growing your wealth. While saving is important, simply stashing money away won't be enough to secure your financial future. Investing is the next step. By investing wisely, you can grow your wealth and outpace inflation. Franklin was an advocate of education and self-improvement, which applies to investing as well. Educate yourself on different investment options, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and choose those that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about growing your wealth steadily over time. Planning for the unexpected. One of the most overlooked aspects of financial planning is preparing for the unexpected. Life can throw curveballs, job loss, medical emergencies, or even a global pandemic. Without a plan, these events can derail your financial stability. This is where insurance comes into play. Health insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance are essential components of a robust financial plan. They provide a safety net that can protect you and your family from financial ruin. Additionally, consider creating a will or estate plan to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Retirement planning, securing your future. Retirement may seem far off, but the earlier you start planning, the better. Social Security alone may not be enough to support you in retirement, so it's important to build your retirement savings through 401k plans, IRAs, or other investment vehicles. Think of retirement planning as a long-term goal that requires consistent contributions over time. The power of compound interest means that the money you invest today will have decades to grow. Even if you're starting late, it's never too late to improve your retirement outlook with smart planning and disciplined saving. Financial goals. Setting and achieving milestones. Financial goals gives you a clear target to aim for. Whether it's buying a home, paying for your child's education, or retiring comfortably, having specific measurable goals is crucial. Break down these goals into smaller, achievable milestones. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, determine how much you need to save each month to reach that goal in your desired time frame. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Achieving these milestones not only brings you closer to your financial goals, but also provides a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. Continuous learning and adaptation. The financial landscape is constantly changing, and your plan should evolve with it. Stay informed about changes in the economy, tax laws, and investment opportunities. Be open to adjusting your plan as your life circumstances change, whether it's getting married, having children, or changing careers. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to long-term financial success. Franklin was a lifelong learner, and his approach to self-improvement is something we can all emulate in our financial lives. Benjamin Franklin's wisdom has stood the test of time, and his words, "Failing to plan is planning to fail," are as relevant today as they were centuries ago. Financial preparedness isn't just about having money. It's about having a plan that guides your financial decisions, provides security, and helps you achieve your goals. By budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, and planning for the unexpected, you're not just preparing for the future, you're creating it. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon. With careful planning and continuous effort, you can navigate the path to financial success and build a legacy that lasts. If you found value in this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. As always, take care and have fun on your road to wealth.